In today's video, I'm going to teach you about Grok 3 Deep Search Review, diving into what makes it a standout innovation in the landscape of AI technology and understanding its potential applications and limitations. Let's start by looking at Grok 3 itself. It's the latest flagship model from xAI, featuring a remarkable component called Deep Search. What sets Deep Search apart is its ability to perform real-time web searches, synthesizing data from multiple sources to provide a traceable, comprehensive summary. Unlike traditional chatbots that deliver singular, often isolated replies, Deep Search offers a richer interaction by visually showing the information source chain, which can greatly aid in understanding complex topics. One of Grok 3's most notable strengths lies in its speed and ability to deliver up-to-the-minute results rapidly. This feature makes it particularly valuable for accessing current news, market trends, and any topics that develop swiftly. It doesn't just stop at speed. Grok 3 is also equipped to handle technical tasks effectively. With different reasoning modes like Think or Big Brain, it can break down complex problems in fields such as coding, mathematics, and data analysis. The transparent synthesis of information is another virtue, providing users with clarity on the origin of the facts presented. However, Grok 3 and Deep Search are not without their challenges. One critical aspect is its inconsistency when handling deep academic research. For projects that heavily rely on niche or primary sources, Deep Search might overlook certain specifics, offering more of an overview than detailed findings. Moreover, there are ongoing concerns about potential misinformation or less than perfect content safety. While Grok 3 has improved in reasoning compared to its predecessors, it's advised users should always verify sensitive topics through additional reliable sources. Access is another point to consider. Grok 3 is tightly knit into X's ecosystem, with some advanced capabilities possibly hidden behind subscription plans or developer agreements. Keeping these elements in mind, Grok 3's Deep Search shines in scenarios that demand quick, current information. Whether you're summarizing current events or troubleshooting technical issues, it's a tool to reckon with when urgency counts. For tasks where deep analysis, legal, medical, or scientific claims are involved, approach Grok 3's results with caution. It should not replace thorough, citation-heavy work on critical topics. In comparison to other general language models without live search, Grok 3 offers faster, more relevant answers. Yet compared to specialized research agents, it delivers a more conversational result that might be less source-centric. As for access and cost, xAI offers Grok 3 through various plans, some requiring additional premiums. Always verify the latest from xAI or x.com for updated access models. To fully utilize Grok 3's potential, ask for source trails and use it mainly for discovering and not final confirmations. Break down significant tasks into smaller steps and cross-verify crucial facts through trusted sources. Ultimately, Grok 3 with Deep Search is a promising innovation, perfect for up-to-date research and technical problem solving, but rely on comprehensive primary sources for high-stakes endeavors.